Hi everyone, this is the gas walkthrough for September 26th. I'm Philip Newman. Today I'm solving Right Back to It by Bill Murphy. This is a zone Sudoku. We have normal Sudoku rules, 1 to 9 in each row, column, and 3x3 box. Additionally, we have some cages in the grid, and these are not killer cages. We can have repeats, and in fact we must have repeats in some of these cages. The digits in the top left of the cages must appear in the cage. So in this cage, we need 2 1s, 2 2s, and a 3. And those are the rules. So where are we going to get started with this one? We can just pencil mark some digits in these cages, obviously. And in those 3 cells, that's not super helpful. We could do the same up here. And down here. What we need to think about, though, is these 5-cell cages. We have repeated digits, and each of these 5-cell cages contains 3 cells that are in the same box. So, what that means is, these have to be 3 different digits. They must be 1, 2, 3. We have all of our digits that can appear in these 5 cells, and there's only 3 distinct digits. And then our duplicated digits must appear in these 2 cells. So we can do that with all of these cages. These are 2, 6, 7. These are 2, 6. These are 4, 5, 6, and these are 4, 5. These are 3, 5, 8, and these are 3, 5. And now we can disambiguate a lot of this. So starting at the top, there's a 2 in one of these 3 cells. So this can't be a 2. Means that's a 1. That's a 2. Now this must be a 6, and this is a 7. This is a 2. These can't be 2 now because of this 2, so this is our 2. The 3s look up here for 1, 3, and that gives us 5 and 3. This also can't be 5 because of this 4, 5 pair. And there's a 5 in here, so this is 4, 5. This is not 5 or 6, so this is 4, this is 6, this is 5. And that is most of it resolved. I don't think we can quite, maybe looking at the central box. So this can't be 2, so this is our 2. And this can't be 5, so we have 9 and 5. No, that doesn't resolve it entirely. This can't be 4 or 8, so this is 6. That's what resolves it. 2, 6 here. And up here, this can't be 1 or 7, so that's 3, 5, 3. These aren't 8 from this 8, and these aren't 7 from this 7. And can we resolve those? Not sure yet. We need 4 and 8 in these cells, and those are resolved. We need 7 and 1. And now up here, we only have 2 of our digits that go in this 3-cell cage. However, where does 5 go? Well, it can't go in these 2 cells, so it goes here. Where does 2 go? Can't go in this cell, so it goes here. So that cage is done. And down here, we have 2s looking down, placing 2 there, and a 5 looking down, placing a 5 there. And that is all of the zone clues, and we are just solving classic Sudoku at this point, apart from these 2 pairs. So I see we have 2 6s here, so we need a 6 in that row. Down here we have 2 3s. These are going to be 1, 7, 9, and there's 1s and a 7 there, so 9, 7, 1 in that order. These are 4, 8, and 9. That's a 4. There's an 8 here. The last digit in this column is a 9. The last digit in this column is... Why can I not tell if it's also a 9? This is a 5. This is a 2. Alright, let's look at this column. These are 4, 6, and 8. That's not 6. I don't think there are any more restrictions on that. These are 1, 3, 7. And we're getting these same triples elsewhere in the grid. how Bill put this one together. Let's look at this. Actually, no. Let's look at this. 1 and 3 are in this box, so they're not in these two cells. And 3 can't appear here, so this must be 3, 1, 1. Like that, and then these are 8 and 9. Means that's not an 8. These are 4, 6, 7, and they're not 6. So 6, 4, 6, 7, and 4. That 7 gives us 3 and 8. And these are 7 and 9. 3 is ruled out, 6 is ruled out. Okay, now let's look at this row. These are 3, 4, 8, 9. That's not 3 or 8. That's not 4. That's not 3. We still need a 5 in this box, so it's going to go there. And we need a 2 in this box. It's going to go here. Oh, the 9 here. That's a 4. I cannot type the right digits. That's not 4. That's... Oh, did I? Yeah. I typed the wrong thing there again. These are 1, 7, 3, and 8. 1, 8, 3 here. Gives us 7, 1. This is a 3, 8 pair. This is 3, actually not 3. This is 4, 8, because it's 3 there. But we have an 8, 9 pair here, and that's going to resolve all of this at the top. The 9 gives us 8, 9. These are 1 and 8. Gives us 4 there. These are 6 and 7, not resolved yet. The 7 here gives us 9 and 7. This is 6, and that resolves 6, 7. This is 7 from the 1, and to finish we have 9 and 1. That's the solution. Let us know how you did in the comments, and I will see you next time.